This is how to make a cloud potato. The ingredients you're going to need are 2 potatoes, salt, pepper, cornstarch. You can use any starch though, and flour. What you're going to want to do first is take your 2 potatoes and wash them. Then use any sort of knife, you can even use a butter knife, to score it down the middle. All you need to do is get past its skin. Then, after doing that, you're going to need to boil the 2 potatoes for 30 minutes. When boiling the potatoes, make sure that the water is boiling first. Then lower the temperature and put your 2 potatoes in. When you're done boiling your potatoes, make sure to be safe because the pot is going to be hot. You're going to need to take out your potatoes. And they might look a little bit weird, but you won't see that because we're going to have to mash them up. And this is where the reason why we scored them comes in, because the skin can peel very easily. So now you need to peel your potatoes. Okay, now that you're done peeling your potatoes, go ahead and grab something to mash them up. Now, when you're done mixing it, or mashing it, you're going to want to add your ingredients, which is however much salt you want, pepper, any other seasonings you would like. You're going to need to take out a tablespoon, make sure it's clean, and then add 2 tablespoons of flour. So 1 tablespoon of flour and 2. Then add about 1 tablespoon of starch. And now you're going to want to knead it, which is mixing with your hands. So if you haven't already, make sure that the potatoes aren't hot, and make sure that you've washed your hands. Of course, my hands are washed, and you should do that before cooking, but just a little reminder. So now, just mix. So when you're done mixing, and you don't see any extra flour or cornstarch, you're going to want to take the mixed potato and put it on something flat like a clean table, or in this case a cutting board, and go ahead and shape it into somewhat of a ball, something like this. And if your flour is still falling apart, you're going to want to add some more cornstarch to it, about half a tablespoon, until it can hold itself together. Then you're going to want to clean your hands if they're dirty. Then take out a small knife and cut the ball about in half. Now you're going to want to shape both of these halves into like a roll. Now, when they're done, grab the knife and cut them about into even pieces like this. Okay, and make sure you space them out just to make sure that they don't stick back together. Now, if you want, you can form a little bit of a pattern with your fork. And then when you're done, just go ahead and move everything. Nice. And you're going to want to take out a pot. And take out some oil. I'm going to be using vegetable oil in the pan, just enough to cover the potato clouds. At least halfway, and then you can flip them. Go ahead and heat it up. And also, oil doesn't bubble all the time. So to make sure that it's heated, just when you think it's heated, just go ahead and take a little bit and see if it'll fry. Okay, so if you take a little bit of piece and stick it on something, it is about how it should look like. So this is how you know if you're ready or not. So when you are ready, you can use any way, but I use a spatula. Get some on. And go ahead and before you cover them like this, then you might want to flip them at some point. Just watch the color and watch the heat, because oil is combustible. And this here is the finished product. It's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. This is where you add any dry seasonings or any sauces